Hi, in this video I'll show how to use app for converting XLS file to Sqlite. XLS is old the Microsoft Excel format, and you can see I have a document open into Excel Viewer. It's not Excel, but a document open, XLS document open in Excel Viewer. It has my calendar spreadsheet in it, and it has first row contains column names, and then there is a column data. It's just a basic table. Now, to download app, I will go to my website. I will leave a link on the site in the description. Click on search and type XLS to Sqlite. I need this app. Click on app page. Click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive with app will be downloaded on my local computer. Then I will click on this archive, install app, and will convert Excel file I have to Sqlite. You can see app archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install. Click on yes here and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. On step 1, we will have to select file. I'll click here to select input file, then find my XLS file I need to convert. I think it was my events. I will click on next step. So here if Excel file first row contains column names, I will keep it checked. Here I have to select is this a new Sqlite database or existing Sqlite. If this is existing Sqlite, I have to specify which file I want this database to be imported into. If it's new, I'll just leave new and click on next step. And here is just to run conversion, click on run. And here I have to specify a name of the file, of database, and location. This name and location scale. Click save, and you can see it's saying file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I'll double click on this. I have another app. It's Sqlite Viewer. So basically, it's just showing me what is inside Sqlite. I can specify a different table if there are different tables. But you can see table was created based on a spreadsheet. Your spreadsheet will have there are a couple spreadsheets in the work document, in workbook. Couple of tables will be created into Sqlite. This you can see I have just one table with all my data imported, and this app just showing what is inside Sqlite. We have a Sqlite file here in my documents, right? Yep, and with all our data imported in it. So basically that's it. I will leave link on this Sqlite Viewer tool. It's just simple app that's showing what inside Sqlite, and you can export it in different common formats. And basically that's it. You can sort it if you want to. You can view different tables or select different files. And that's it. Yeah. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.